Shanmugapriya, your lecturer from SNS College of Allied Health Science. Today we are just going to see a topic in basics of anatomy, that is anatomy of skin. So skin is usually known as integumentary system, which is the body's largest organ. It serves as a protective barrier, it regulates the body temperature and also facilitates sensory perception. So the total area of skin in our body is approximately 2.2 meter square, as well as their thickness is about 1.5 to 4 while the weight of the skin is about 4 kgs. And then there are mainly two types of skin, usually known as hirsute as well as glabrous. This hirsute skin is thin and hairy skin, which constitutes greater majority of the body's covering, while glabrous skin is also known as thick hairless skin, which forms the surfaces of the palms of hand, soles of feet, as well as flexor surface of the digits. And then we have mainly three layers of skin, namely epidermis, dermis and hypodermis. So this epidermis is the outermost layer of the skin, and it is also non-vascular. It is composed of stratified squamous keratinized epithelial cells, while the thickness of this epidermis layer is about 0.05 to 1.55 the epidermis layer is thin, or it is thinnest on the eyelids, while it is thickest on the palms and soles, especially in the glabrous skin. Next, there are mainly four types of cells which are commonly present in this epidermal layer. So, namely keratinocytes, melanocytes, Langerhans cells, while Merkel cells. These keratinocytes are most abundant, that is 90 to 95% in our body, while it also produces keratin for strength and waterproof. Melanocytes produce melanin, which protects, and it is also pigment. This pigment protects against the UV radiation. Also, we have Langerhans cells in the epidermal layer. So these are usually known as immune cells, which captures antigens and migrate to the lymph nodes to activate the T cells. These Merkel cells are also known as sensory cells, which are involved in touch sensation. While the next we are going to see is the epidermal layers. So there are mainly 5 layers. So from superficial to deep, they are named as stratum corneum, stratum lucidum, and then stratum granulosum, stratum pinosum, and stratum basilae. So the first one is stratum corneum. This is the outermost layer or superficial layer, and it also composed of dead keratinized cells that are constantly shed and replaced by the cells from the deeper layers. So usually these stratum basilae, the deepermost layer, is mitotically active and they produce these cells, and these cells migrate from the stratum basilae to the stratum corneum, where it gets dead as well as it is shed from the skin. So next is stratum lucidum. This is the second layer, and it is also the thin layer found only in thick skin, like palms of the hand, soles of the feet, as well as flexor digits of the fingers. And then it is also called as glabrous skin. And then the third layer is stratum granulosum. This layer is characterized by cells containing granules that play a role in waterproofing the skin, while it also prevents the water loss, that is dehydration. The next one is stratum pinosum. So this layer is several cells thick and characterized by cells with spiny projections that connect them to the neighboring cells through desmosomes. So usually the desmosomes are known as those junctions or cell junctions which connect the cells by intermediate filaments. And next we are just going to see about stratum basilae, which is the deepermost layer of epidermal layer, and it is a single layer of cells that are mitotically active and are constantly producing new keratinocytes. It is also contains melanocytes, which produce melanin, the pigment that gives skin its color. In the next class, we will be seeing about the dermis as well as hypodermis layer, and also about the skin appendages and the skin functions. Thank you.